We are searching how to buy shares of BeiGene Ltd-ADR, and I will walk you through the steps. BeiGene is a biotechnology company focused on cancer treatments, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ONC. And this video is educational only, not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account with an identity document and to add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ONC to find the listing. Select the BeiGene Ltd-ADR entry to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will find a short company profile and a price chart for context. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to ensure this is the right security. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.